What's up friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to cancel T-Mobile Protection 360 device. So guys, to cancel this option, you see this with URL guys. Just go to this URL, go to Google and click cancel this one and click this first result. After that, scroll that down, you see cancel coverage. Then log in your email and password. After that guys, complete the steps. Select add or remove service or manage service, and then find your protection 360 service you want to remove. For example, this one you want to remove, go to image, you just go to guys 300 you want to remove, click select remove and confirm your cancellation. If this not work guys, go to support team from the contact us and you can contact this number, call via call, and then write your cancellation option. Then you see associated app to call with this number guys. You should be have associated app to call with this number, and for example Microsoft Zoom or phone link, and link your device and then write your cancellation process. Or you can connect via email guys if you want to do any email. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see another video soon. So guys, you can see this image. It is this is image. You can from here select your cancellation process.